What's up, traders? So in today's video, we're going to be talking about this amazing stock named Jumia, or JMIA. So I do own 10 shares of Jumia and I bought them today. I kind of did something stupid. I had bought them for around $15, I think, and I sold them around here just because I wanted more buying power so I could get into a trade, which in the long run was very stupid because I only made like 30 bucks off the trade. Or I could have made 40, but I only made 18, whatever. The thing is, I got back in at 19.53, so I got in around here. So that's still a good entry because they did run up, but just imagine how much extra money I would have made if I just held it from Friday when I had originally bought them. So that would have been a lot of money, but not to worry, guys. I do own 40 shares on this account, as we can see here, and I am currently up pretty big on them. I have 40 shares. I originally bought 20 at around, I don't know, $13 or something, and another 20 when it was like at 14, 15. I don't exactly remember, but I'm up 60% on it already. I've held it for only about a week and I'm making $341 of total return, which is phenomenal. So now my game plan with Jumia is I would love to own another 60 shares. I do believe that Jumia Technologies has room to increase to $25 easily by the end of the week, and by the end of the next week they will have more room to increase to maybe even $30 or $40. There's only 26,000 people who own Jumia Technologies on Robinhood, so that's not a lot. Their next milestone could definitely be about 50,000, and as this stock becomes more and more popular, I do believe it will consistently be increasing. So I did make a video about Jumia Technologies when it was around like $9. I made the video, so had you bought in around this time, you could have doubled your money by then. So that's actually amazing, and the reason I made a video about that was because I saw the 3-month chart, I saw the website, and I saw that it was steadily increasing, so I was very bullish on it, and it was a really good investment that a lot of you guys could have made had you guys seen the video. So make sure you guys are subscribed for any future videos. But yeah, this account is actually doing really well. We started it last week here for $5,000. We have $4 extra because we have a free share of Kadi, but after that we steadily increased our account a lot to $5,564. So we're up 11% on this account in about a week. So that's phenomenal. Thanks to Apple and thanks to Jumia and a couple of day trades that I made, a couple of swing trades that I made, but mainly these two are phenomenal. So now let's get back to the other account. So on this account, we see I'm only up 16% for today. I bought them today and I'm making $31. Had I bought 100, I'd be making $300, which would have been phenomenal. So on this account or a different account, I mean, not on this account doesn't have enough buying power, but the reason I want to own 100 shares of Jumia is because once I own 100 shares of Jumia, I could simply sell a covered call. So now can you imagine if I sell this covered call, I would immediately collect around $185 of premium just directly into my account, and I could use that to either invest it again back into Jumia and buy a couple more shares, or just invest it into something else, or just keep it. And if Jumia were to hit $28, and let's say I get in around 23, that would be a difference of $5 per share. And if I have 100 shares, that would be a $500 profit plus the $185 of credit. That would be a net profit around $685, which would be fantastic. So if it doesn't hit that price, not to worry, I still collect that money and I still keep Jumia. I am very bullish on Jumia still. I believe, like I said, they have room to increase to around $30, if not more. So now another thing that I could do, and probably a smart thing that I could also do, is I could just sell a put, and I could probably sell this put for it would only cost me a collateral of $1,600, and if Jumia were to ever drop to $16, I would love to get into those shares at this price. Now, if Jumia does not drop to that price, not to worry, I simply collect the $150. So again, this is a bullish company for me. It still is. So again, I am very bullish on this company. I do believe in it. I believe that if they ever were to expand to any different continent, that they could definitely expand their business. Now, if we look at Jumia's page, we see that they do have a Jumia Q2 2020 earnings call August 12, 2020. So that will be a very bullish day for Jumia, especially if a lot of investors begin to, by the first time, figure out what Jumia is and figure out about the company and begin to get into the bull rise that Jumia has had. Then I do believe the market cap will increase for Jumia, and it would just increase the overall stock price. So that's why I am still very bullish on Jumia, and I still do believe it's a hold, and especially a long-term hold if this company continues to grow as it has and as it claims to have. So that is why I'm still bullish on Jumia. I would love to own 100 shares so I could sell covered calls, or if I don't sell covered calls, I can just sell cash secured puts, and if I do get assigned at a cheaper price, it's a cheaper price and I still collect the premium. So stay tuned for Jumia Q2 2020 earnings call. We will learn a lot about this company. We will learn whether it is still a buy or if it's a sell, or if it's a partially take profit company. Or for a lot of you guys who have made a lot of money, you could probably recoup your initial investment and then put a little bit of that money that you made back into Jumia and have a couple free shares, free equity, because you are using your profits to then reinvest into Jumia, and that would be a very smart thing to do. But like I said, guys, let's stay tuned. So I do have a small YouTube channel, and if you guys have any questions regarding anything or stock related, I will try my best to help you. I do have a small YouTube channel, like I said, so it is a lot easier for me to respond to you guys. But that's basically been it, guys. Let me know what you guys think about Jumia. Are you guys bullish? Are you guys bearish? Why or why not? Also, not to mention that the e-commerce sites have been doing amazing this past quarter due to the coronavirus and the at-home stay lockdown. So Amazon's not having the hottest day, but overall in the past 5 years, I mean, it's been increasing. Same thing with C Limited, same thing with Pinduoduo, and same thing with Shopify. All of these sites have been doing absolutely amazing, and I do believe that Jumia can definitely follow in their lead. A lot of these companies did announce good earnings, so we have to wait and see what happens with Jumia. But like I said, for like the 10th time, I am bullish on Jumia. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and that's been it. Peace.